Susan Lee on Facebook. What are we seeing, Susan?
So we're going to call a miss on profit here. We're looking at 80, from what I see, 88 cents. The call is for $1.63, which is down from the earnings and profit of year over year. So from 2018, a beat on revenues of $15.8 billion. We were calling for something close to 14.98 billion to be exact. And as you see, we're up in the after hours. Also, active users. This is pretty significant here because monthly active users, we were looking for something close to 2.374. We got 2.38 billion for monthly active users. Daily active users, a beat with 1.559 billion. That was the estimate. What we got, 1.56 billion. So yes, they've continued to grow their platforms, and I think that's pretty significant for a social media site and a company like Facebook, guys.
Yeah, and that number, I'm sure you think it is, Susan. That's probably comparable, right? The 88 cents versus $1.63. You guys think it's comparable?
Yeah, 85 cents. That's comparable from what we can see right now.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, so it's a miss on the bottom line because margins have come down a lot. It's 22% from what I see, a little bit over 20% compared to 40% a year ago. And as Facebook has told us, has illustrated to the markets, look, we're going to spend more to monitor our sites to make sure there isn't violent content, there's no harassment. And so we have been expecting this, and that's probably what's hitting their bottom line.
Investors still like it. Go ahead, Melissa.
Yeah, just to give you a little color on that, Facebook posts $3 billion in legal expenses related to the FTC matter. So that's a little bit of what you were talking about there. And they say that the FTC matter remains unresolved, is a quote from their press release.
Okay.